Okay, these are a couple of testers that I made. Some of them I made back several years ago. This set here I just finished. So anyway, I want to show you how this works. This tests the wireless modules for the bed communication. We just plug one in here. That's the wall module. Now this one, when I plug it in, you'll see it goes active right away as soon as it's plugged in. Okay, there it went active. All right, so now we got to turn power on here. Power. Okay, so now we got to link them. So we're going to turn that one on, and we're going to turn that one on. Now, okay, now they're linked. Okay, so how this works, it's very, very simple. Bed exit alarm. Okay, it's this button right here. And this is the alarm indicator. So I push the bed exit alarm, it communicates to the receiver and trips the bed exit alarm. Shows me that is working. So now I reset it. Over here we have the nurse call. This is the nurse call alarm indicator. I push this and you can see the nurse call alarm came on. Okay, now I'm going to reset it. So like if you know you have a good one of these, you can test all of these. If you know you have a good one of these, you can test all of these just by using these two parts. And also this can be taken up to the rooms to troubleshoot up there if you ever need to. I think it's a real decent time saver. I love test equipment. Okay, let me set this off to the side. Turn this off. Okay, now this little gadget here, this tests any kind of simple nurse call, like soft touch buttons or whatever. There's a built-in battery test. Right there, it tells you if the battery's good. Okay, now see, you can see that this is not a stereo jack. This is a monorail jack. So we're going to plug that in, like that. Okay, now since it is monorail, it shorts out to one circuit and lights that light. So that light's on continuously. So to test the pillow speaker, right here, okay, there you can see, just like that. And that'll work with any of these headphone type jack units. Okay. Then it'll do the double ones. You can see this shaft is separated. This is a stereo headphone jack. So it has two functions. I'm going to plug it in. Okay, now what the two functions are, this is a two position switch. You have one position, you have two positions. So boom, there I'm testing that side of the switch. Over here I'm testing the other side of the switch. Okay, that's the reason that it has the stereo type jack. Alright, so we're going to let that go. Now, this is the gadget that I want to modify to test our pillow speakers. Okay, it has the old type socket, but what I had to do for all the pillow speakers I was working on, I made this adapter that would plug in. That gave me the DIN socket and gave me the RS socket. So because we had a lot of different kind of pillow speakers, that made it fit it all. This does not fit our pillow speakers at the moment. So what we got here is we're going to switch this to tone. Okay, there I'm on tone. Now, I hope you can hear this. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this knob up and down. I'm going to try and get this close so you can hear the speaker. Okay, what that's doing, that's testing the range of the speaker. Make sure it has high and low without vibrating or rattling, which was a complaint on a lot of pillow speakers that we had at the other place. Okay, now the other thing that you want to test is the nurse call. So that's going to be this button right here, and this is the nurse call indicator right there. So I got the nurse call, boom. As you can see, the nurse call button is fine on this speaker. And then you have the TV button here, and here's the TV indicator. Okay, you can see that works fine. That's what we used to use the old TVs. This will turn the TV on and scan through the channels and shut it off. Okay, the other thing that we had was the volume control would get better, very intermittent. It would go smooth, and then you get some static and some breakup, and then smooth again. So what I did to test this, I built in a bar graph, as you can see right here. Okay, just a little standard LED bar graph, and here's the volume control. And I'm going to turn the volume control up. And you can see the bar graph moving up nice and slow. It's not skipping any lights. The last two lights won't light. It's just a flaw in the circuit. But as you can see, it was nice. I could turn on every single light without it skipping. Same going down. So I know that when they use this one, it would be nice and smooth. It wouldn't like break up and static and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and adapt this to our pillow speakers. But our pillow speakers are solid state. So I'm going to have to design a couple of circuits in that for it to make, to get it to do that. And I might have to make a new cap here and put some additional bar graphs, because we might need a bar graph for channels, a bar graph for a different type of bar graph for the volume. And I'll have to put a different plug in here too. The plug will be very similar to this one, but this one is not quite the same. I'll order what I need off of DigiKey, and we'll just see if we can get the thing going. But I just want to show you that.